Good morning, you guys. It is Monday and I am vlogging today. Rita Idi, say hi.
Hi.
It's a bagun word.
Hi.
Hi. Everybody meet Rita Idi. She's been with us even before I was born. Anywho, so what was it? Yeah, so today, look at the time. It's like 12:30. I think I broke my own record of just breaking my back and not waking up on time. Anywho, I woke up though I was working late last night. Again, today is a shoot sort of a day. Also, a lot of you guys are like, please keep more vlogs, put more vlogs. So the plan for today is I am going to shoot. Siddhali is coming here right now, so I'll show you guys how that goes down. And then me and Siddhali, we're gonna head out. I am gonna go to my favorite workplace and work a little. And last time I went there, I swear to God, I met so many lovers. I met so many of you guys. I was like, oh my gosh, I love this place even more now. So I'm gonna go, and if I meet any of you, I am actually gonna vlog it. Let's do this fun game. Let's see if, serendipity. Let's make this happen. For now, I'm gonna eat some breakfast, and then we're gonna start working. Bye. I don't know if you guys saw my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter yesterday, but Sanish, who is a college, like, we go back, he came over and we painted two canvases. It's really easy to do that. A lot of you guys are like, show us how to do it. But what I tried doing yesterday was making this shelf. Now it's ice cream sticks, right? So I'm gonna link Rob's video somewhere here. I watched it on Rob's video, on Rob's channel, and I was like, oh, and so I don't know how to explain it to you guys. It's a shelf like that, and you put like cute flowers and stuff in it, and DIY room decor stuff. So I really liked it, and it's really easy. I haven't completed it though. I have to paint it from the inside, which I'm gonna do now. So yeah, that's what while Siddhali comes, I'm gonna finish painting this. Okay. So this is sort of the product. Oh, ulta side. So so you mount it like this anywhere, and you keep like whatever you want to keep in it, a bonsai, a fake plant, or a candle, whatever. Speaking of candles, what? So Dali's here, and yeah, we were waiting to finish my masterpiece, and then now we are going to start shooting video. But before that, I need to take a shower, so that's what we're gonna do. So this is all the setup I have. I have said this in a few vlogs before, but a lot of you didn't watch it. That's alright, watch this one. This is my camera, this is my tripod, and that is the mic. And I used to use these two lights right here. Can you see them? Can you see them? But they used to cast this weird shadow on my face, so my nose would give me a mustache and stuff like that. So we decided not to use it. So now I'm smart enough. I'm just smarter now, and we used the fancy camera we have to adjust the lighting and make me look appealing. Also, I have shot a very like heavy duty video, like which took a lot of time, a lot of scripting and stuff, like the types of waiters thing. But this time I wanted it to be like a chill, just sort of like a, like a. I don't have words. Yeah, neither does she. That's why we are best friends. Let's go. We started at 1:10. And it's 1:32 right now. Zip, zap, zoom. How was it?
Amazing.
I really like this video. It's sort of more like a rant, more like a, Yeah, it's an amazing video. It's an amazing video. You'll see it this Thursday. Also, tomorrow is a fun day. I am shooting at YouTube Space tomorrow. I will keep you guys updated on Snapchat, so make sure to follow me on Snapchat at Prajakta Kori. That's PRAJKTAKOLI. Now, what we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Oh,
Have lunch?
yes, we're gonna have lunch, and then we're gonna go to my favorite workstation. That's Starbucks, and we're gonna work on the script that we're shooting tomorrow. Food, because priorities. And I'm at my desk. Yay! So I don't know if I said this earlier this morning or not. So the point of this vlog was only that every time I come to Starbucks, I meet so many of my viewers. I meet so many of you beautiful people. So I thought it would be fun if I bump into anyone here and then I vlog with them. It's the lamest and the most simplest reason why I started vlogging today. So now I kind of feel a little more lame. Like I never thought that what if nobody comes? What if no? Yeah, I don't know. Anywho, because it's pretty empty today, except cute guy behind me. Oh, what if he watches my videos? Oh, I'm lame. Anyway, so I'm still going to work. I'm going to be here for a while because I have got a lot of work to get done. So I'm just hoping that someone meets me so I can fulfill the purpose of this vlog. Bye. So if Sidali had to put a finger on the one problem she's been battling for all her life, she'll tell you about it.
That's my name.
And what is it?
It's Siddhali.
And what does everyone always call it?
Siddhi.
Why is it so difficult to call it? Like even right now the stars were one chocolate brownie for Siddhi and she was like Anywho, so far mission vlog, any viewers you meet has been failing miserably. I have literally I think I overestimated my, fame. Anywho, not complaining. I'm still finishing work. This is hot. Don't touch it, okay? It didn't fail. My purpose didn't fail. I have two lovers. This is Krishna and this is Ishika. They came and they made my desperate attempt seem very casual by coming and saying hi. What do you guys do? Oh, she's in college. She went to the same college that that was my school. And which college did you go to? Somaya. I was in Somaya a while ago. Were you there then?
Yeah.
Ooh, nice. Okay, I'm going to chat with them now. Bye. Say bye.
Hi.
We have two more people. Say hi to Sara
Hi.
and Shrishti.
Hi.
They're both in college. Sara goes to SIES and Shrishti goes to Thana College. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, say bye. Alright guys, so we are still going strong, working, and also I am really trying to step out of my comfort zone these days because I'm trying to write. I'm trying to do different stuff is what we're trying to do. So me and Siddhali, we are racking our brains and writing this one script that I'm shooting tomorrow at this place, by the way. I just realized it's too difficult for me to write scripts. I cannot write scripts because I just feel like when I'm shooting, I'm just there in the moment and I do a much better job than just planning and being normal and systematic, So we try to write scripts and right now it seems like the lamest thing ever, but I'm just hoping that tomorrow it just turns out well. I hope you guys like it. I cannot tell you about it right now, but obviously you'll see it in a couple of weeks on the channel, so it's not a huge secret. It's just a video. Hey everybody, say hi to Pari. And she just messaged me on Instagram saying, don't go anywhere, I'm coming then. I'm like, okay, chill, I'm here for a while. And she's a lover. She goes to Lodha Girls School. She's in the 9th grade. And yeah, what do you want to say to the vlog?
I love Prajakta. She's the best.
True. That is 100% correct. She's such a cutie. Okay, I'm gonna hang with her now. Okay, bye. Say bye. Bye. Hey guys. So, middle partition. There we go, sassy. Anywho, so we got out of Starbucks. I was craving some cheap, unhygienic food. So now we're gonna. Oh, okay. Stare into my vlog. There we go. Now we're gonna go upstairs to the cheap food area, that is the food court, and stuff our faces. Bye. So I got out of Starbucks and then I met another lover. Her name is Samiksha and she's also from Thane and she is friends with a school friend. But hey, thank you so much. You came to say so sweet. Yeah, say bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Hey you guys, so you guys met Samiksha. This is our friend Abhishek and he has a YouTube channel. It's called Wonder Sane. I'm going to check it out and I'll try to link it somewhere here. So go subscribe to his channel.
Thank you so much.
Show him some love. He does travel videos.
Yeah, I do travel and motor vlogging.
Motor vlogging, awesome. So he has my dream job. So check him out. Bye. Alright, so we just suddenly decided we want to go and watch Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. So we were going down the elevator and we were like, no, let's not go and watch a movie today. It's going to be very expensive because it's Sunday. Then we reached down and we realized it's not Sunday, it's Monday. So we came back up. We got tickets and now we're going to watch the show. The show starts in 10 minutes. Yay! Bye. Sorry for the extremely bad lighting. But we got done with the movie and I liked it. She had already seen it before, so she liked it. I liked it, but you know what? It's not like me to come out of a romantic comedy that's heartbreaking, shut up, and then not cry. I always cry at movies, and I could hear everyone going. Even when we were walking down the aisle, everyone was like, but I didn't cry. I don't know what it was. I liked it, but I didn't cry. Maybe I'm a man. or not, I don't know. Anywho, now we're gonna go over to Sidali's place, get her stuff because we're gonna leave for YouTube's place early morning tomorrow for the shoot, and then go home. I should have peed. Yeah, bye. Hey you guys, so we got back home and Mama and Baba have gone out to watch Ventilator. Have any of you guys seen it? I don't know. I saw the promos and I felt like that is one movie I'm gonna cry my eyes out at, so I didn't go there. I was like, I don't want to go there. Okay, I don't want to go there. So anywho, what we're gonna do is now we're gonna have dinner, then we're gonna change, and then I am going. Wow, it's me in the mirror. Anyway, we're gonna change. We're gonna have our dinner. Are we gonna work tonight?
We have to edit.
Oh yeah, that's not work. Like editing a vlog is easy, but is there anything else you've got to do? No, we're acting like we're all set for tomorrow's shoot. Like, yeah, right. Hey, yo, what's up? Okay, we've changed. Shh. We've changed into PJs. Do the PJ. Oh, the lamest stuff excites us. Anyway, we are done with changing our clothes. We're gonna eat dinner now, and yeah, this, I think I'm gonna end the vlog now. This was so much fun. Okay, I need you to understand that there was no content in the vlog, but the whole purpose of the vlog was just getting you guys in it. Also, I met a couple others, but my battery died. My phone was in my bag, so I didn't vlog a couple others. Like, I met Aman, who came all the way from Turbhe. He was like, I am in the train, I'm at Zuinagar, please don't go from Starbucks, I'm coming there. He traveled for like 45 minutes and he came to me. He came there, he was there for like a couple minutes and he left. He was the sweetest. Aman, if you're watching this, I am sorry, I completely forgot to get you in the vlog. I was talking to you, I forgot about it, but I love you so much. Thank you so much for doing what you did. Also, I met a lot of others, everybody. It was so much fun. So I am glad we did this. It's the best feeling when you guys come up and say hi. Also, so many times a lot of you guys are like, you send me pictures of me sitting in front of you later saying, hey, I saw you today, and I'm like, why didn't you come hug me? I took a shower this morning. So next time you see me, don't walk away, okay? That's rude. Come and say hi to me, because come on, just give me a hug like that. Yeah. So I think that's about it. We are gonna eat, then go to sleep, and then wake up tomorrow morning and leave once we have done doing this. Once we're done doing this, then we're gonna wake up in the morning tomorrow and leave for the YouTube Spanx. Yay! Driving for 4 hours all day tomorrow in Mumbai traffic. Can't wait. For now, if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. I'll see you guys on Thursday. I'm excited for Thursday's video. I liked it, okay? So yeah, I'll see you then. Bye.